Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a GE front load washer. My customer's complaint is that it's not spinning. So on this unit, to put this unit on diagnostic, you're going to turn it off from the breaker or unplug it for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you're going to press the signal, delay, signal, delay. It's going to go to the diagnostic. And here's the sheet. It's located at the back panel on the kick, at the back of this kick plate panel. And so this is our control board with the wiring diagram and everything. And this is the washer, how it looks from inside. It's kind of just a picture draw. And here's our main component test or service mode. See, to enter, press signal delay within 30 seconds of plugging in washer. I did that. Now it's on diagnostic, which is T01, and now I'm gonna go through all of this and then I'll find out what the problem is. So the T1 indicates the model ID, the T2 is the error code. So I don't want that. T1, T2, press start. No error code because I cleared the error code already when I was here a couple minutes ago before I made this video. And I went to the tech sheet. Here's the more detailed function on the testings. Here's the error codes. I was getting error code 46, and I don't have 46 here, so between 42 and 49 the error codes are the motor drive operation, ensure all shipping bolts are off, remove all foreign subject. I check all of these, there was nothing wrong with those. Shipping bolts are off, it's an old unit, so the shipping bolts must be off. I was getting error code 60, which it has something to do with the door lock. My door lock is good because if it's agitating, the door lock is fine. The door pump is working, it means the door lock is fine. I found a couple error codes and cleared the error code, so I don't have any error code right now. Go back, T2, T3. T3 is the software ID, I don't want that. And T4 is also the LCD, that's okay too. The T5 is the pump test, the drain pump. We're gonna go on number 5. Press stop. I can hear so P came in on T5. T5 start display P and pump for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds it will return to T05. If the pump is okay, it's gonna return to T05 after 60 seconds. And you can also clean your drain pump from here if you take this lid off while the kick plate is on. It goes in this position, you put a flat speed motor and open it. So it went to T05, the pump, the drain pump tested okay. Now we are gonna go on T6 pressure switch test. It fills with water on the pressure switch. So T5, press start. The drain pump is running after that. After the drain pump, the T6 pressure switch. I'll go to the next page. It's gonna fill with water. T6. Start E for empty and start filling when reaches foam label display F. E, so press start. It's filling with water now. Okay, so it's filling. When it reaches overflow level, it's gonna display up in the pump out display. It's pumping out the water, so it's also filling with water. I'm gonna go on T7. T7 thermistor and heater. So the water is gonna heat up and the heat element will come on, the water will heat up and then it will show the temperature on the display. T7, let's start. At 73 degrees right now. It's filling. Water temperature is 89 degrees. It goes higher, 91, 93. Okay. So it's going to show the water temperature is climbing up on T7, which is the thermistor and the heater test. So my thermistor is working, the heater is working because the temperature is going up. So T7 is finished. T8 and T9 has nothing here. T10 is the tumble test. Let's start.
There's lots of soap up here if you need to wash your hands.
Okay, thank you.
And there's hand sanitizer here as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
There's a little bottle.
Okay.
Ugh. I'll keep my fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, then I'm gonna have to.
T10, T11. So the T11 is the test. T11 a spin test. This is the last important test that we wanna make sure it works. If this is working, if the motor is spinning, then we are gonna replace the main control board. If the motor is not spinning, then we're gonna see why the motor is not spinning. Maybe we have to replace the motor. T11. So the green comes out when it goes to the spin cycle because it pumps the water out and then it's gonna spin after. Nothing is happening. When I opened the kit plate, I saw lots of mouse poop here. When I see mouse poop underneath my customer washers or dishwashers, then that's the time that I kind of think that there's nothing wrong except there's a chewed wire. I checked all of these wires, there was nothing wrong with all of these. And if you look at the motor, for me it's almost impossible to believe that the mouse would chew the wires in there, but there's wires that mouse has chewed on it, and it's over there. You see the yellow wire that goes to the motor, it's chewed in. You can actually see it. So I'm gonna have to repair this, and this should take care of the problem. If there's more than this problem, if the mouse chewed on this wire and for some reason the repair, I do the repair and the motor still doesn't spin, then I'm going to replace the main control board, because it can backfire and then it can damage the main control board, which is located here. It's called relay board or MCU, or they call it different names, but it's the motor control board that sends signal to the wash motor. So I found the problem. I'm gonna have to use the soldering gun to install the wires back together properly. I would solder it, and hopefully that will take care of the problem. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.